Did I just buy expired yogurt? Don't panic. This is not an expiration date. In Russia, they list the manufacturing date, or data изготовления. Okay, that's nice. But now, how do I know when it expires? Well, that leads us to today's Russian word. The word is срок годности. That roughly translates to shelf life. Can you find this pair of words? I'll give you a second. You found it. So what's the shelf life of this delicious Greek yogurt? If you guess 7 days, you're absolutely right. It says 7 суток. A sutak is a 24-hour period, a day. Now this begs the question, why is the shelf life so low? Well, let's look at the sostav, also known as the ingredients list. What? There are only 2 ingredients? Normalized milk and yogurt culture? Okay, now how does this compare to some American yogurt products that have an insanely long shelf life? Okay, let's have a look at this one. Danone Light and Fit. Sure, that sounds pretty healthy. Let's have a look at what's in it. Strawberry, banana, naturally non-sugar flavored culture, grade A, non-fat, milk modified, food starch, fructose, kosher, gelatin, vitamin A, vitamin D3, water, strawberries contain less than modified cornstarch. What? I'm not even gonna read the rest of that. I feel like I need a dictionary to figure out what all that stuff is. You know what? I think I'm gonna go and stick with my short shelf life organic Russian food. Thank you very much. And now I know what the meaning of the prayer "Give us this daily bread" means. Now, let's go back to the plain Greek yogurt that I got from Vkusville. What if I absolutely must have it flavored, but I still want none of the sugar? I'll do what I do. Throw in some tasty sugar-free whey protein powder, and there you go. Delicious. And it'll help you build some of these guns.